What is up, YouTube? This is another video. I'm not gonna start every video like that, but I mean, it's just a way to start it. But I did it before. I'm gonna do it again because the last one was just horrible. So here we go. This is my bike check. So to start off, we got the ODI Super Soft Limited Edition grips in teal. We got Maniac failure bars, 8.25 rise, 9 width. We got the Michigan Converge front load stem. We got the Sabrosa brand top stem cap. We got the Sabrosa Tyro forks in black. We got the Fit FAF tires 2.30 front and back. We got the Rant roll cage laced with shadow spokes with a Sabrosa hub. We got the Sabrosa Tyro frame 21. It's a Sabrosa XL, so it's 21 top tube. We got the Deco fat seat with the kink slam down seat post with the Shadow Conspiracy seat clamp. We got Rant cranks, Odyssey twisted PC pedals, Rant 25-2 sprocket, KMC full length chain, and the same driver in the back and same wheel setup. And almost forgot, we got the Rant top cap, head cap or whatever. We got the DK spacers with stolen hollow bolt bolts. Yeah, stolen hollow bolts. So that's what I ride. That's my bike. There for all the junk in the back. That's my garage on the side and whatnot. But that's my bike. Hope you guys like. Comment, subscribe, like, all that kind of stuff. Stay tuned for more videos. I'm trying my best to post more videos. So yeah, out. Yep.